Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter V. Can you think of words that start with the letter V? Good! You're right! Violin, volcano. There are lots of words that start with the letter V. What is this monkey pushing around? That's right, it's a vacuum cleaner. Our color of the week is beige. What things do you know that are the color beige? The earth can be beige. Some jackets are beige. This week, our number is the number 21. It's very easy to draw the number 21. And we are also going to write the word 21. See? That was pretty easy. Our shape is a star. What kind of things can you think of that are star-shaped? Starfish are star-shaped. Some Christmas decorations are star-shaped. Our sight words are was, will, been, and first. Why don't you try to make some sentences using these words? Have fun and have a great week.